Hey, this is demo video created by Scandic Fusion. It's based on Efashion Universe provided by SAP. Let's start. After the authentication, we begin by opening the home page, and here we can see that it has an improved interface which allows us to navigate to the available resources more easily. There are several sections. At the top we see folders, categories, documents, etc. Now it's easy to access your favorite reports and categories, and you could also manually change and customize them. For instance, you could upload an image that you would like to see here. Below that we have recent documents, recently run documents and applications. Now let's select folders. Here we can see two types of folders, personal and public. Let's select public and open the Efashion Demo subfolder. Before diving into analysis of the dashboards, a couple of words about the business purpose presented by these documents. Efashion is a apparel retail company operating in the United States. Efashion Dashboard Main is serving the analytical needs of company's management board. However, Efashion One Store report is mainly used by store managers. Let's open the main report. The first pop-out window that we can see is the selection of prompts. We can choose the year and the category that we would like to analyze in our report. We can see that for year we already have a default value, year 2018. When it comes to categories, let's assume that we would like to create a customized prompt consisting of several groups of clothing. Firstly, we refresh the list of values, then we start typing in the search field. In this case, we will select 4 categories and save them with the name Category Manager 1. We can see the selected groups in our prompt window. Later, our customized prompt will be available here. If we want to remove the prompt, click on the Reset button. Now we're ready to run the report. At the top we see the main toolbar. Below that we have Prompts and Filter panel. Depending on filter type, it can either filter the whole document or the current report. The last line shows the reports available within the document. In this case we have overview, lines, stores and table. It's crucial to notice that there might be more than one page within one report. For instance, if there were some large tables, a part of them would be visible in the second page. There's also a zoom functionality available. You can also adjust the view by other parameters. When it comes to the business purpose of the dashboard, we can not only observe the actual figures and their comparison to the previous year and plan, we can also see our top performers at the store level. In order to provide an even more comprehensive analysis of the results, there is also the third section available. The Geo Map enables us to analyze the distribution of revenue between different cities. Tree Map and Donut Chart provides the split of sales and promotion cost by product lines. Let's assume that we would like to analyze the results of one store only. We filter the specific store from the filter panel. Now we would like to specify the time frame. By opening the period filter, we can see that it's a grouped input control. Hence, when filtering year and months, only the responding week's numbers will be visible. When hovering the mouse over the object, we are able to see useful tooltips. Moreover, if we are particularly interested in, for instance, San Francisco sales, by clicking on the bar we are able to filter the KPIs for this specific store. It's possible to reset the filter by another click on the same bar. Similar functionality is available from other objects as well. If we want to go back to the initial view without any filters, we have to reset all the input controls. Let's move forward to the next report, lines. At the top we see the total sales and their comparison to last year. We can notice the conditional formatting applied to the table and scatter plot. If the difference versus last year is negative, the assigned value is red. Below we have a list of all the product lines. In the right-hand side there is a navigation map, which allows us to observe the content of the page. We can quickly move to the section in which we are interested in. This sheet is also having several filters. We could choose a specific store, city and period. There is also a switch between the months and week, which would affect the axis of the bar charts. Let's move on to the stores report. Here we could analyze such indicators as store count, sales per square meter, units sold per each of the stores, etc. We can also observe whether the store has reached its target. From the store name, there's a hyperlink to a more detailed document containing comprehensive store analysis. Here we can observe store opening date, size group, and current store manager. An overview of the store's results is also provided, including the trend over the last 12 months. The specific store hasn't reached its target. However, the deviation is rather insignificant. Thus, it's marked yellow. Now we are switching back to the main report and opening the last sheet. In the toolbar, we are having several options how to display the table. There's a possibility to freeze table headers. Meanwhile, the fold-unfold functionality is also enabled. Hence, we can easily navigate ourselves throughout the table. For instance, if we are interested in t-shirt sales in March for the stores located in Boston, we can quickly observe them by opening this section. We can also export the report to Excel, PDF, or other format. Here we have to choose which sheets we would like to see in our file. Now we have downloaded an Excel file with the selected content. We have gone through the main functionalities and end-user options. Thank you for your attention and have a pleasant experience when working with the new Webi 4.3 version.